Koto boni abonné et pas Henriette Kilumshembo. Masole sa TikTok. Masole papa. Kota mi abonné aussi. Ça la bien. Ça la yo bien. Masola kolamba. Matea pete. Tokota position that is going to put na sengi na binokaka balande ya Kilumshembo TV kota pomi abonné pas
I don't know who wrote that number, but this is
Masole sa TikTok. Ya boza kota yonani.
Yeah, so this is your number. Yeah, maybe do it now because then it's, you know, so say you could log in. There was another name of another phone. This is not your phone number, this is your phone.
You need to choose one or what?
Okay, let's say it worked, but the name Janul came up and not a new name.
Can we see?
Because then you cannot use Blackboard and so.
No. Ya boyoza na kokota. Fungo ya mutima kota.
No. We use Janul's account now because we don't use Blackboard as possible.
Yeah? What do you say?
Because it takes too much time.
Yeah, you're working, teacher. When it's coming.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. You need to choose one?
Which one has to? Which one is this?
Mia bonne. Quand on m'y abonne par une Kilumshembo, ça n'a pas pas de polémique ils ont raté.
Just choose the one, which one you like.
You choose which one you like?
Yeah, choose the one.
Like shopping something?
Choose the one like the school or book story or shopping or happy new year. Like
Or maybe
book
Tokyo.
story?
yeah, just choose one.
Book story. Maybe a book story.
You choose one.
Just choose one.
Book story.
Oh, where is it gone again?
Scroll guys, like book story. Book story. Yeah. Choose one.
Yeah, you choose the topic you like. Everything you like, except the two ones we already did.
Yeah, click. Okay. And go back to the go down.
Yeah, further, because you don't see this. You don't see the
go.
listening yet.
Go.
So that's a video. That's nice. So you can watch a video and listen to it and answer the questions. But maybe you read first the questions. Yep.
And then
Don't do this one.
Yeah.
We just did it.
so just click here. Yeah.
You need to go back or?
Sorry, why is your phone on?
Hey.